Poverty reduction measure. Key points. The headcount ratio HCR is the population proportion that exists or lives below the poverty threshold. One of the undesirable features of the headcount ratio is that it ignores the depth of poverty. If the poor become poorer, the headcount index does not change. Thus, an index S is defined by the combination of three distinct measures of poverty: the poverty rate, the poverty gap ratio, and the inequality of incomes among the poor as measured by the Gini index. Sen 1976. Poverty and ordinal approach to measurement. The poverty gap index is a measure of the intensity of poverty. It is defined as the average poverty gap in the population as a proportion of the poverty line. The poverty gap is the ratio by which the mean income of the poor falls below the poverty line. The poverty line is defined as half the median household income of the total population. Additional information. Tendulkar Committee computed poverty lines for 2004 to 2005 at a level that was equivalent in purchasing power parity PPP terms to rupees 33 per day. Purchasing power parity, the PPP model refers to a method used to work out the money that would be needed to purchase the same goods and services in two countries. The poverty line proposed by the Rangarajan Committee has three components. A. Food poverty line based on the average requirements of calories, fat and protein. B. Normative requirements of basic non-food expenses of clothing, housing, mobility and education based on median fractal values. Thus, all the above mentioned leads to poverty reduction measures.